Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your cookies on your PS5. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your cookies just so that your PS5 internet can run smoother. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says Settings, scroll down, and then click on System, and then scroll down even more and then click on Web Browser. Now from this option here, you have the option to delete your cookies right over here. So click on Delete Cookies and then click on OK. At the same time, I would also recommend that you explore the option of clearing your website data just so that your web browser can run smoother as well. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your cookies on your PS5. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.